let's go with the design. Design is another menu to look out and to manage the whole thing in order the document look nicer to you. Okay, so let's go with design right now and talk about the themes and about the page background that it has. First, it's available on themes. Okay, how you can get most out of it. Now I'm gonna go and type some sample text in here, like rand text, and then give it a title. Okay, and then give it a title there, and going to the home, I'm gonna say it's title. Once I do that, I'm gonna go and also pick up this text as a normal text, so it is normal text, and I'm gonna go also hit subtitle and click on it and hit subtitle. Now you can see this is a looking normal text and looking theme, but you can change it from here. Like you go to the themes and you can choose and you can choose these themes to instantly change the look of your document. As you can see, this one is the best, by the way. So I'm gonna go with that. And anytime you choose that, so these themes also will change for you and you can change them anytime. So anyway, you can also reset to the theme from template, or you can browse for themes and you can save the current one as well. So if you click on browse, so it says where is your file, so you should be able to select it and then hit open, and then it's gonna work for you. But before that, so you should really save that theme for yourself. So that is about the themes. Right now, whenever you do that, it shows also themes like this here, and we have a lot of style as well, possibly in here. You can also go with this one, or with this one, or with this one. They are really different. So I'm gonna go with this one, or this one. Let's go with the something like very. Oh, this one looks nice. Also, I can change the color, so there is different colors each time. I can change to yellow, and you can see that right over here the color is changed. I can see red and the color changed. I can change the font to any font I want it, like Arial, Calibra, Office, Kerbal, or Canva, or any font you like to have. And they will change automatically once you hover over them and you select the text with them. So that's very great. We have paragraph spacing, like it says compact, tight, open, relaxed, double. So it depends on your requirement and project really. So to choose on. So also you can have a custom paragraph spacing where you can decide on that. So there you go. It's paragraph spacing, and you can say before, after, and you can say line spacing as well. We have also effect. Effect is a little bit tricky because we can't see what happens a little bit. So it depends on the shapes and all of that for you as well. So for example, top shadow. So the shape has shadow at the top. So it's a little bit different and tricky. And finally, we have set as default. Once you made all the settings, so you want to make it that set as a default, so you hit yes right now, and that will be set as default. So anytime you write title, this will have this font. Okay, this will have this font, which is really amazing.